Good day everyone. We are here to present our project entitled What a Cost: Appliance Energy and Billing Calculator. This project is designed to help user calculate the energy consumption and estimated electricity cost of common household appliance with just a few inputs like appliance type, usage time, and electricity rate. Our program can provide a clear breakdown of how much energy is used and how much it could cost. Through this presentation, we will guide you through the feature of our system, explain how it works, and how it can help the user become more aware of their electricity usage. We hope you find it useful, educational, and practical. So without further delay, let's begin. Upon launching application, the function show title display the title screen and short welcome messages. The user is then asked whether they want to view the objectives of the program via a prompt. To show objectives, if the user respond with yes, the system displays a list of 5 projects objectives. These include providing a menu-based interface for choosing or entering appliances, computing energy based on usage time, converting watt-hours to kilowatt-hours, accepting time in both hours and minutes, and laying the groundwork for future billing enhancement. For the next slide, I want to call Mr. John Lee to present.
O ano, display appliance menu. The next step involved choosing an appliance. The function display appliance menu show a list of 8 choices. Option 1, through 7 are predefined appliances like refrigerator, rice cooker, etc. With fixed wattage values. Option 8 allows the user to enter a custom wattage for an appliances not on the list.
Get power choose and get appliance name choose. Once the user select an option, the program use the get power function to determine the wattage, either prevented or custom input, and the get appliance name function to get the name of appliance for display purpose.
Time input, part of main logic. The program then asks the user to input the usage duration broken down into hours and minutes. This portion is handled within the main function. Input validation ensures hours are non-negative and minutes are between 0 and 59. The program calculates total usage time by converting minutes into decimal format and adding it to the hour value. Energy and cost calculation, part of main logic. Using the appliance weightage and total time, the software calculates energy consumption. This includes computing watts hour by multiplying power and time and converting this value into kilowatt hours for billing. The user is then asked if they would like to enter a custom electricity rate. If not, a default rate of 11.7882 per second kilowatts is applied.
To calculate the cost, energy and cost calculation, using the appliance wattage, the total time, the software calculates energy consumption. This includes computing watt-hour by multiplying power and time, and converting this value into kilowatt-hour for billing. The user is then asked if they would like to enter custom electricity rate. If not, a default rate of 11.782 pesos per kilowatt is applied.
So for our display of results, with all inputs complete, the program displays the result. This includes the selected appliance, power in watts, time used, energy consumption, the electricity rate applied, and the estimated electricity cost in pesos. A thank you message follows this summary. For repeat prompt and exit, after showing the result, the program asks the user if they would like to calculate another appliance. If the user enters yes, the program loops back to the appliance selection menu. If no, a goodbye message is shown and the program exits.
That concludes our presentation for What a Cost, Appliance Energy and Billing Calculator. Thank you for your time and attention.